Welcome to C Programming Tutorials. This tutorial is the continuation or part 2 of the previous tutorial, in which we are basically discussing the structures, how to create the structures and how to access their members. Again, all these tutorials are basically part of a big collection of tutorials in a playlist, the link of which you could find either in the description or it may already been displayed on the screen as well. If you haven't watched the other tutorials before this one, I would recommend that you do so. Also I would recommend that you become a fan of the Facebook page Awesome C Programming Tutorials in High Def, and if you want, you could also you can also subscribe to this channel Learnorama, so that you can be notified of any new videos that I post. I would also appreciate if you can give me some feedback, post some comments either on Facebook or on the YouTube video page of this video, of this tutorial. So let's continue. So in our previous tutorial, we learned that basically how we define a structure called student, and then are the members of this structure, and then we declared a variable of type student, and then we accessed the individual elements inside, or individual members inside that structure, using this kind of convention, that the name of the structure followed by a dot followed by the name of the member, which is ID here, and similarly the name and then the age. Now remember that as I said before, that you cannot assign a string just like using the equal to operator here. You will have to use this kind of function here to basically assign this string. Anyway, you should watch